Changing your daily limit on Uscreen can help you manage your viewing experience effectively. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Uscreen platform by entering your login credentials. Ensure you are using the account for which you want to change the daily limit. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the profile menu. Click on it to access various account management features. Step 3. Find daily limit settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Daily Limit or Viewing Restrictions. This section will allow you to view and modify your current daily limit. Step 4. Adjust your daily limit. Enter your desired daily limit in the provided field. Make sure to set a limit that aligns with your viewing preferences and needs. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the daily limit, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the settings page. Click it to ensure your changes are applied. By following these steps, you can successfully change your daily limit on Uscreen. Enjoy your customized viewing experience.